Hello. It's around 10 o'clock. Sunday. I still haven't fully healed my knee, but today we're gonna just do a little ride with my friend to spin our legs and get ourselves some lovely vegan kebab. Kebab! 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 So here we go. It's always so sketchy getting out of here. The man, the myth, the legend.
Gdzie on jest? Where is he? Bye bye Hogwarts.
Bye bye. Here we go. After a fucking climb, now it's the hardest part. Navigating through traffic. Guy behind, I think, has some mental issues, right? Mental issues, Bart?
I watched John Wick.
He watched the John Wick. Now he's broken. And here we go. In Daga's community park, riding towards the most important part of the trip, which is a lovely vegan kebab. And here it goes. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
A bit too early?
No, we are fine.
Excited?
Nyam nyam.
Nyam nyam.
As my daughter calls it. Nyam nyam.
Nyam nyam?
You cycled your way to the real deal, right?
Salmon?
Yeah.
So the ride
How was your Mallorca trip?
My Tenerife trip was great.
Mallorca.
Yeah. Mount Tay, the rules. It's
Weather,
3.5 hours.
Weather okay.
Weather decent, yeah. Not like Cork, not like Cork.
Nothing is
But
like Cork.
still.
Everything is lovely here. We got the Irish summer.
Never think about going to Canada. Why would I?
I don't know. Why would we ever leave the Ireland?
Because we're
Fun boy.
It's just
fun by.
the only clean one. The rest is drying.
At least you got clean ones, right?
I have the clean one.
I just grabbed the less sweat one.
Oh no, this is the fresh one. I need to wear fresh one. I'm prone to infections. Mam ugryźć?
The moment of truth.
I'm gonna bite. If I can unpack it.
The bread itself, the flat bread, is made here as well. It's freshly made. Everything is basically done on the spot. But once you get to tzatziki sauce, you're gonna fly away. Compared to all the vegan restaurants around here, at least this is good and the price is good.
I concur with Dr. Mateusz. The diagnosis is correct.
And now we're just gonna eat. See ya! Whoever thinks Ireland is flat is a fucking retard.
We just met Benny Hill.
It was a fucking Benny Hill. But there is his friend, Lil Hill Wayne. For fuck's sake. On the maps there should be like a warning. That's a hill ahead. Don't try this. At least there are not many cars here, right?
Not strong enough.
Jesus.
Strong enough!
Ah! Oh, there's a car behind. No, no, it's not a car. I got fucking delusion now.
No cars can make it here!
Ah!
Don't call it!
Show him! Sprintem! Ah! I guess we are retarded. Bartek went back home. We're about 2 hours and few awesome climbs in, I guess. My knee is hurting as fuck. I shouldn't have done this today, but I guess I'm just gonna buy myself some ointment, maybe compression band, and I will survive. But it was worth it. It's really warm for Ireland today, but there's no sun, so you kind of can push without issues. And now it's just a lovely straight road home through the park, just like that. And after that I just have one more climb up to home and I'm done, I guess. And now I'm going through the park. It's so lovely here.
easy because I need to.
No.
No worries, cheers. Oopsie! And the wind. The plan for today was to do 125 minutes. I did exactly that with like 40 seconds above that. So that's brilliant. And also I had to do like 150 meters of elevation more. And we did how many? 503. So I guess I'm done with that too. Like once again I pushed myself a bit too hard because my knee won't recover that quickly. But I guess it was a really good ride. I guess that's all for now. See ya!